started carrot, onion, beans, cabbage. After this we put spring onion also cutting up. First we can cut this. Now half happened. My sister waiting for Friday. She likes it so much. That's why he now we are frying chicken because it's so nice. I want it hot. Now we are putting for pan this egg. We are mixing it. Guys, now we are mixing cabbage and beans. Now we are mixing. Already we are mixed soya sauce and Friday's rice already we cut. Now we are putting vegetable deep fried with the pan. Good smell, it's so good smell. I like this smell. Now only my mouth with water coming. I want to eat this. Now we are mixing all and finished. Now we are putting refried egg. Last we are putting chicken fry. The smell is so good. I want to eat this now only. Now we have some Now we are putting some tomato sauce. It's not coming, guys. What I want to do for this. Now we are putting some soya sauce. Now when we mix this powder, now we are putting some ghee. We are putting some spring onion. This looks so nice, guys. This smell was good. You dislike fried rice you make and you eat. You like this. Everyone must try this fried rice. You will like this so much. Guys, I am eating my yummy fried rice. I want to taste this. Bismillah. It is so tasty. I like it super nice. You have to must try this fried rice. Bye. Thank you for watching my channel.